Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be talking about pollution and its effects on the environment. We will first define what is pollution. Pollution refers to the presence of a substance or substances in the environment that are harmful or toxic. The substances or pollutants may be harmful to human health, other animals, and plants. When something harmful enters the environment at a faster rate than it can be dispersed, there is pollution. What are the types of pollution, you ask? There are actually 7 different types of pollution. However, we will only be discussing about the 4 main types of pollution, which are air, water, soil and noise pollution. Air pollution. Air is usually comprised of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.9% oxide gases and 0.1% inert gases. When the air becomes contaminated with other elements such as poisonous gases or particles, it can cause serious problems to human health. The most common causes of air pollution include partially combusted exhaust gases, poisonous gases which are a byproduct of industry including sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide, and carcinogenic gases released through the burning of plastic, rubber and wood. What is water pollution? This type of pollution refers to the contamination of bodies of water including groundwater. As all living organisms depend on water to live, the pollution of a body of water tends to affect every level of the ecosystem, including human health. Common causes of water pollution include industrial waste, insecticides, pesticides, and fertilizers, detergents and oil spill. Next, soil pollution. Soil can be stripped of its nutrients by a number of chemical agents, and when this occurs, it is known as soil pollution. Common causes of soil pollution include pesticides, insecticides, agricultural chemicals, industrial waste, and radioactive waste. Plants depend on the nutrients in the soil in order to grow. But many of these chemical compounds absorb the nitrogenous compounds present in the soil which the plants depend on. Finally, noise pollution or sound pollution, which is defined as any sound that is unwanted, or a level of environmental sound that is likely to irritate nearby individuals, cause distraction, cause hearing damage, or disrupts normal activities and lowers quality of life. How can we prevent pollution? There are many things you can do to reduce your impact on the environment. If we all use energy, transport and other goods and services more carefully, we can reduce harmful emissions to our air, land and water. Everyday choices have the power to make a difference, and help protect our environment for a clean and sustainable future. Stop pollution today and let's make the world a better place together.